Hello, let's model this magic ball in SOLIDWORKS. We just need a simple sketch for that and two revolves, a split and body move, and finally combine. Let's have a look at that. Front, side, top, isometric. All right, I'll start a new design, new part file. Start a sketch on the front plane with a circle. Dimension that with 222. Make another circle up here. Add some construction lines here and here. Make those two tangent and define that angle with 360 divided by 48. All right. Let's make a pattern of that circle, a circular pattern. That one. 24 instances. We still need to apply one constraint here. Make those two horizontal. That fixes that. And we need one axis for the two revolves. All right, we gotta constrain that one as well. And that's it for sketching. Now go into the revolve. We will take that for the contour and that one as the axis. Apply some nice color to that. Green, what about that? And make the next revolve. And now we need to pick those regions here, leaving one out. Axis is that one. We can merge all that and give it some, well, what color goes? Well, maybe that, huh? We can hide that sketch. And now go into the direct modeling tab, split. Use the front plane to split our part here into two. And the next direct editing tool is the move body. Take one of those and see we're gonna rotate 90 degrees around the Z axis here. 90. Accept that. And combine those two. Have a last look. Front, side, top, isometric. And that's it for the magic ball. I hope you like that.